My name is Tony Bagnall. I'm Head of Capability at Cassidian. Cassidian is an EADS company. Primarily we are working in this division on secure systems for the private sector, oil and gas and government departments. We're an IT company focusing on cryptography. My job as Head of Capability is all about the future. It's about taking the innovation, the research and technology that we do here and changing that into capability that we can sell into the market and onto our customers. So my day-to-day business is about tomorrow's business. One of the more interesting IT-related projects that Cassidian's working on, it goes by the name of the Technically Advanced Next Generation Office. It's a virtual office space, making maximum use of avatars. So the avatars that we're developing here actually look and behave as you see me today, but in the virtual space. The benefits for working for Cassidian are twofold. We have global reach in Cassidian, so we may be based here in Wales, but personally, for example, I've worked in Romania, Germany, France, Singapore, both coasts of America and mid-American states. We attract young talent in our company through two main routes. One is through the Modern Apprentice scheme and one is through a graduate entry scheme. We have, in my view, a very good graduate entry scheme. I think that's marked by the fact of the retention rate we have for our graduates. If you come in as a business graduate or an engineering graduate, you'll spend 3 months in each department getting a very good understanding of what our business is about.
My name's Andy Shiel and I work as a solution architect in the business capture team here at Cassidian. I wanted to work for EADS for a number of reasons. They're a high technology company based here in Wales, so it's a company that offered a lot of opportunity while staying in Wales at the same time. I don't directly create IT products, however I do produce systems that are made up of many different types of IT products. So it's my job to take a piece of software and take some hardware like a PC or a piece of networking equipment and work out how it's all going to fit together. Thereby we create an overall system made up of lots of different pieces of IT. The things I like most about my current job is the variety of experiences that it gives me. From 1 month to the next, I can be working on completely different projects. One day I might be working on a project for the UK military, and then a few months down the line I may be working on a project for the police force.
My name is Mark Hall and I'm a research engineer here at EADS Innovation Works. Well, I wanted to work for EADS because whilst I was at university, I looked at all the opportunities with companies both in and outside of Wales. EADS presented quite a good case for that. I thought that it would provide plenty of opportunities, not just for now but in the future. It seemed that they invested a lot in training and the work actually seemed very interesting. Within my role, we don't actually develop IT-related products, but what we do is develop IT-related services. One of the examples would perhaps be the Virtual Operations Centre. Again, we've looked at the concept of having an online virtual operations centre where people can come into that three-dimensional persistent environment and actually be able to interact, communicate, work together within a coalition environment. In a military scenario, as an example, you might have different countries all working together to solve a particular problem. The things I like about my current job role are the research opportunities. The research is very interesting and you have the opportunity to work with lots of experts in their field, leading experts, and that's very exciting.
So our new young employees, when they enter work into Cassidian, hit the ground running. It's about gaining experience, having exposure to a wide variety of what we're offering, and then focusing after rotation on a specific element. My 3 top tips for a young student want to enter this sector: look at your own talents and work on your own positive aspects of it. Take control of your own development. Your own development is your personal responsibility, but look at the industry to see if it provides the environment in which you can develop. And number 3, look at your entrepreneurial skills. This is a fast-moving industry and changes the normal course of our day. So be prepared to look and develop in a fast-changing environment.